You want to make money online? In this video, I will be showing you a website whereby you can make 1,436 per day in the comfort of your home. The website which we'll be talking about pays $10 per 20-minute video you have made. What you will be doing is that you will be testing out apps, digital products and websites and giving out verbal opinion of what you think of the digital products, the app or the website which was given to you to test. And just a friendly reminder, this method won't work out for you if you haven't subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you never miss an upload. This website we will be talking about works with Facebook, Walmart, Domino's, Grammarly and many more. So your question might be, why would these companies come into this website so that their apps, websites and digital products can be tested by us, and why are they paying us to do this? The answer is quite simple. Let's take Walmart as an example. Walmart is a store that sells products, so Walmart is like Checkers but in America. Let's put an instance whereby every time Walmart launches a product and puts it on its shelves, customers don't buy the product. What happens is that Walmart obviously loses money. So in order to prevent loss of money, Walmart will get us to test their products and give them insights of what we think of the products and whether or not we will buy these products. And how that helps Walmart is that they would now know whether or not the customer would buy the products and what the customer would actually think of the products which they are selling. So now they can actually launch products that actually sell instead of launching products that don't sell. And that means more money for them. So the website I'm talking about is usertesting.com. So how it works is that you are going to test out these digital products, apps and websites, and your screen and audio will be recorded, so you will have to think out loud. So you firstly need to sign up and then take a test which then will be reviewed, and then they will get back to you in a few days. The average person makes around $50 per day, but you can actually make up to $100 out of your spare time just sitting at home testing out digital products, apps or websites. It's your boy here, Dollar Influencer, bringing you latest tips on how to make money online. Signing out, peace.